Little did I know it, so I wish upon a star. I promise I'll go far.
Hello everybody, it's your favorite YouTuber foxoxo4. Welcome to a new video. Today I will be giving you all some very nice seizures that I just know you will appreciate. Nwifafojkum 13 unjku 7y2k3 njkuiarkfwasig 2 ojbkwajik fafwajeflk.
Hey Fungirl, you want some fries?
Are they gourmet?
What's that?
Gourmet. I only want gourmet fries, Fox.
Then go to Wendy's, okay?
I am home.
You don't live here.
I brought food.
Here.
Oh,
Okay, come in. What are goldfish?
Oh, they're like cheese cracker snack things.
Fish. What?
Well, that's what they are.
No.
Oh, the snack that smile back.
EYYYYYY.
EYYYYYY. Fox, what are you doing?
What it look like?
It looks like you're eating pecans without ME.
I am sorry sis, but I don't share my sweet pecans.
Crease.
Hey Fun, wanna listen to some royalty-free music?
OMG yes.
Let's go.
Who wants tea?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Who?
Me Fun, I want tea.
You can't have any.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.